YouTube, I forgot my camera. I'm recording on the phone right now, so it might look a little different than usual, but as you can see behind me, the Type R is full to the brim. I got absolutely things everywhere inside the car as we're moving into the new shop today. Let's go. And yes, we are being hit with a heat wave right now in the Northeast. It is about 100 degrees outside right now. Terrible. With the top to the new box and the bottom in the pickup already. Alright guys, so toolboxes are loaded up at Home Depot as you saw behind me, picking up the order. Huge shout out to my boy Justin for helping me out. Then just for clarification, in case you guys didn't get a good look, everything is packed up into the Type R. So now let's go to the shop and reveal my new job. Alright guys, toolbox is now in the new location. Looks great. Got all my tools laying around everywhere. Now it's time to move in. Alright, it's all unpacked. There's the setup. Tool car with everything on the bottom. Things all set up. Once I bring the camera out tomorrow, we'll go ahead and go over each individual drawer and give you guys a tour of the complete shop. It is now day 3 of the Northeast heat wave. It is only 8:38 in the morning and it is 96 degrees outside already. What the hell? Alright guys, this is the shop. You can see behind me we have a E46 M3, E46 M3. We have a Honda project car going on in the corner, and then way back there X6 for a motor replacement, and 55. They're notorious for it, if you didn't know already. So I'm gonna go ahead, unlock the box. We'll go through all the drawers and get started on the day, and then I'll introduce you guys to the rest of the team when they get here and give you guys a little walk around of the parking lot. So this is the outside of the shop, front entrance. German Motors, baby. We got a whole lineup of work to be done. We do it all. Coming around the back of the shop, we got some more goodies back here. The corner of death. Just kidding. More work to be done, and it just keeps going. It just keeps going, baby. Look at that nice employee parking. I no longer have to walk, I don't know, a quarter to a half a mile a day. So these 46 M3s, this one's got a rough idle, will not hold one. We are currently diagnosing that one. And this is Valdrin. Say what's up, bro.
What's going on, guys?
Another E46 M3 with a Vanos rebuild going on. So here is the Milwaukee toolbox purchased from Home Depot. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walkthrough here. Got all my chargers up there. First drawer. Some sockets, a kit here, some more ratchets. Moving on. Step 1. Plier drawer. Wrenches, vice grips, and some more wrenches in there. And this is a little hideaway. You're supposed to write on this. Some more stuff in there. Moving on is the money drawer. If this doesn't release endorphins, I don't know what does. And next up, some more wrenches. All of my power and air tools, and then anything that didn't fit in any of the other drawers is here. 1/2-inch torque wrench, knee pad, balls, and then everything else down in there. Moving on from top, or from bottom to top, oil filter kit, some more various things in there. Hammers, impact, driver set, bunch of screwdrivers, picks, and then here tap and die set, rivet gun, some more stuff, and here torques and a digital caliper, plastic tools, some wires, then junk and junk. The cart over here. guys, that is going to wrap up the announcement video of the new shop, my new job. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to start this new journey. I'm going to be touching a lot of different cars. I've already touched a variety of them, including Ferraris and McLarens, and obviously Mercedes, some Hondas. We do everything over there. We literally do anything and everything. So please don't hesitate to reach out, contact us, German Motors on Instagram. You'll see all of our information on there. You can say I referred you, and we will both be very happy people. I also want to give Mo, the owner, a huge thank you for giving me the opportunity to continue my career as a auto tech. And we're climbing up those ranks, baby. We're still young. We got a lot to learn, a lot to go, and hopefully we'll be in his shoes in a few years. With that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.